This is Sean. We are on a job today in Jamestown. So this is going to be a really big project. So we've got the box truck here. We've got the little truck here. Got a rack on this thing. And so what we're doing on this portion of the job is we are going to be installing some sump pump basins. So take a look here. This whole courtyard area there's nowhere for the water to drain to. And so there's virtually no fall anywhere around here. And so we're going to end up catching some gutters here into some sump basins. And we've got 3 sump pumps ready to go here. What's that?
Where's the next basin? So start digging.
It's probably going to be right there by the end of that pipe at that low point.
At the end of the pipe?
Yep.
I can go ahead and start digging?
At the low point, yep.
Okay.
So find the low point there. I thought you said that hole was deep enough.
You did.
I did.
You said, hold on.
All right, well, let's keep going here.
Yeah. We got some serious roots.
But we're going to catch this gutter here into our sump basin, this gutter here into our sump basin. And so we chose solid basins here instead of perforated. You've seen me put perforated ones in before. And because we don't really have a lot of subsurface water here, there's no point in putting in a perforated basin. So it's all surface water here from the gutters and from the rain that lands out here. So we did use perforated lids though. So that'll go in there just like that. So that's this portion of the job. And I'll probably just make a video of this portion because the other side is a really big project. So we'll be looking at that separately. So you got that condensate line caught up in there?
Mm-hmm.
And it's not sticking in there very far, right? To where it's going to clog up with stuff.
It's perfect. You want a little hang in there.
Okay. We're making some pretty good progress over here. We've got this gutter caught. They have an electrician coming in to install a receptacle over here. So this is just a Schedule 40 pressure pipe here. And so I don't have any problem leaving it open like this because any water that gets in there is going to end up in our basin anyway. So there we go right there.
Doesn't need much. That's just hard place.
Yep, just to try to settle those.
Sit on flat.
Yep.
Let's see what we got now.
We got some holes drilled in the bottom of that thing?
No, yeah, I just want to make sure height's good. That's perfect.
Well, you think it's okay?
I think so.
It's not over here.
Yeah, it's a little high, ain't it?
Yeah, let's try to pull some of that gravel out of there. It's critical that these get set right. We've gone to jobs before This thing will be sitting up off the ground like that high.
Right.
You know, like it'll be like up here.
A lot of good that does.
Yep.
Huh?
And what's bad is they probably had it in that floated out. With them holes in it, it won't float
Yeah.
out.
Right.
Because with the holes in it, if it gets water under it, it'll pick it up out of there.
Yep.
Yeah, it'll
With them
live.
holes, it won't do that. It'll let it stay sunk down in there.
Plus our pipes are holding it in pretty good, I'd say.
Yeah, it pretty much too. Yeah.
I feel pretty good about them.
That black stuff, it won't stay. That PVC will hold it in the ground better.
Well, I've seen septic tanks float up out of the ground.
I have too. Yeah, I have. I come in one day and it was
worst
all up out of the ground. Ground rough, be floating out of the ground.
The arrow goes down, right?
Oh, that's what I was doing too.
Can I borrow this for a minute?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, baby. Corey, can you throw me some glue? Thank you.
Come on, Bubba.
We ready to get this one glued up?
Yeah. I can do it.
What'd you do with my bit?
You what, Bubba?
Never mind, I put it in that space over here. I gotta watch it on, they'll hide your stuff.
Corey's got the dumbest garbage.
He's a hater. He's a hater. He's canned to the wall.
Uh-uh.
Yeah.
Don't say that. It's amazing how that stuff will back out on you.
That's the only one that's coming across there, so we should be able to get to it.
Nice job, Jeremy. Good job, bro. Looking good. Get him. Yes, sir.
See him that piece right there to put them.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
All right.
We are getting our piping finished up here. So we've got our power over here for the electrician later. We've got this gutter caught coming in here. And we've got our discharge going out here. I choose to do perforated tops on these so any surface water will also enter into our sump basin and be pumped out of here. We also set them just below grade, so they'll again encourage surface water to get in there. So these just bolt on with these stainless bolts.
A little bit in between. Like that there.
Yeah, I think that'll make it a little bit stronger.
Yeah. Ain't hurt. Dang, one bag is gonna do it. Yeah, pretty close. Good Santa Rita.
When I first quoted this job, we were going to bring those 1.5-inch lines out through here and come out of the curb over here somewhere. But they just, and this was about 6 months ago, they put this concrete in, this sidewalk, and so they said we have to come out, go through the wall, and come out over here. So here's our outfall. So I didn't really like this discharging straight into this bumper here, but they're more worried about tripping hazards, so they liked the idea that it was back behind a bumper. So, you know, they're happy with that outfall, and the water's going to kind of gush out of here and hopefully end up sheeting across the parking lot there. So this is what they were looking for. So as long as they're happy, I'm happy. We are finished with this portion of the job. So this was a good day right here, and we got all of our sump pumps, all 3 sump pumps installed. So that gutter is piped in here, and then our discharge line's over here. This gutter is piped over here, and the reason we put it out this far is because this was the low point out here. So the hope is this will collect surface water along with the gutter water. And then same thing over here. This is a low point. And so we caught this gutter into here and this gutter into here. So again, low point should be collecting surface water along with that perforated lid. So they should have a lot better drainage over here. There was nowhere for the water to drain out of here. So this little courtyard, and look at all the roof that is landing up in here. So this was definitely not very well thought out when they built this place, but that's why we're here getting it corrected. It's a couple days later and there's actually water flowing out of here. We still haven't cut these flush with the sidewalk, but I wanted to come over here and get these pumps plugged in. I've got some extension cords here. So this is probably going to be a big mess back here without these pumps being plugged in. Yeah, see, this is what it used to do. This is kind of cool. So look at this. I don't know if there's any power on that or not. Oh yeah, there is. Just gonna string this across here. Try to keep it out of the water. All right, look at that. That's pretty cool. This is a brand new cord. There's our basin there.